Hello everybody, welcome back to another craft room organization video. I know some of you noticed that I did take a few Mondays off from uploading craft room organization videos. I just needed to do something different on those days, but I am going to be back uploading organization videos until I'm done maybe, or until I need another break from the craft room organizing. I am going to be organizing my chipboard today. It is a super short video and I hope that you guys enjoy it. If you do, please give it a thumbs up. I really appreciate it. I would love to know how you organize your chipboard, or if you don't have any chipboard, how you organize different embellishments in your craft room. I love getting ideas and seeing how you guys organize things as well. So be sure to leave me a comment down below. All right, so like I said, this video is really short. There really wasn't much to reorganizing my chipboard, but again, I wanted to share it just in case it might be helpful to somebody. All right, so what I'm doing is I'm going through all of my chipboard in the bigger bin, and I'm taking all of the lingering chipboard that, I don't have the packaging for. Either it fell apart or just too lazy to put it back in the packaging, or I like to keep the negatives of some of the chipboard because I find that it's really cool element to add to some mixed media projects. And then I put those in a smaller bin, and then all of the chipboard that still has a package I am putting back in the larger bin. So this was filmed probably about 6 weeks ago, and I absolutely love how the chipboard is organized now. It was really overwhelming when I would open the bin because like the chipboard that didn't have a package was everywhere, and it was a lot. So I really enjoy having it separated now. And then I just put it in my calyx unit just like that and call it a day. Again, this video I know is so short, but I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to leave me a comment down below. And if you are new to my channel, I hope you subscribe and hit that bell so you're notified every time that I upload a video. I want to thank you guys so much for stopping by, and I will catch you guys later.